So this is guys with the KL University guest house, and this is how the KL University treat the guests. We came to KL University, Aziznagar, Hyderabad, to teach service now, and this was the uh, priority they are giving to the faculty, and we are allocated one 3 BHK suite for us, and second room and mineral water with filters, and third room fish provided, and whatever the food was provided it will be served here. And actually snacks was received at 5 o'clock, snacks and this one, and with tea, right? So everything was received, and he's my friend, roommate, Dr. Tripathi. Sir, hi बोल sir. Hi बोल. So मेरा friend मैनेजर जिगर, and this is how the room was. The facilities was excellent and immeasurable. Attached with the bathroom and all, nothing. Right. So this is the entire detailing about KL University, how it take care of the guests and students in a campus, right? So we'll come with the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.